Dear parents and student, welcome to Erudite School of Learning Fatehnagar, mobile number 7568077458. Class 2, Subject EVS, Chapter 1, Lecture number 3. If you have any doubt in this lecture, then you just need to write in your notebook whenever your school class will be open, then you may clear to related teacher. इस लेक्चर से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट है तो अपनी नोटबुक में लिखें. जैसे स्कूल ओपन हो तब सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड टीचर से डिस्कस करें. OUR or ELBOWS elbow, BEND bend. Bend means murna. ANDN HELP help. USS TO2 LIFT lift. THINGS things. Our elbow bend and help us to lift things. किसी भी सामान को उठाने में एल्बो हमारी हेल्प करती है बिकॉज इट्स फ्लेक्सिबल. इट मूव्स इन इनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. राइट नाउ यू कैन ट्राई बैंड योर एल्बो. कौन से डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रही है, इनवर्ड्स और आउटवर्ड्स? इट्स इनवर्ड्स डायरेक्शन. WEVCAN can. PICK pick. UP up. Pick up. Pick up means what's the meaning of pick up? Hold करना किस चीज़ को. We can pick up FOOD food. WITH with. OUR HANDS hand. N TAKE take. IT it. TO2 OURR MOUTH mouth. BECAUSE because. OURR ELBOWS elbows. BEND bend. We can pick up food with our hands and take it to our mouth because of our elbow bends. Our elbow bends, that's why we are able to eat our food. Just imagine if your elbow is straight, then how will you able to eat something? Because your hand is not bending. So elbow helps to eat food. OURR WRIST wrist. MOVE move. IN ANY any. DIRECTION direction. Direction means disha. Our wrist move in errant direction. Try to move your wrist. Wrist is moving in 360 degree direction. किसी भी डायरेक्शन में आप इसे घुमा सकते हो, इनवर्ड्स, आउटवर्ड्स. मे बी वी कैन कॉल दिस सर्क्यूलर मूवमेंट. THIS this. HELPS helps. USS TO2 PLAY play. HOCKEY hockey. ANDN TENNIS tennis. BOWL bowl. CRICKET cricket. BALLS balls. BAT bat. ANDNPLAY play, MUSICAL musical, INSTRUMENTS instrument, SUCH such, ASS SITAR sitar, TABLA tabla, PIANO piano, GUITAR guitar, etc. This helps to play hockey and tennis, bowl cricket balls, bat, and play musical instruments such as sitar, tabla, piano, guitar, etc. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम? We are talking about wrist. Wrist is move in circular direction. So it helps to play any game, outdoor game, and helps to play music instruments, piano, sitar, tabla, etc. OURRFINGERS fingers, BEND band means murna, INWARDS inwards means अंदर की ओर, अंदर की तरफ. Right now everyone, let's try. Your finger moves in inwards or outwards direction. Which direction? Tell me. Inwards or outwards? It's inwards direction. THIS this, HELPS helps, US us, TO2 HOLD hold, THINGS things. This helps us to hold things. Hold things means किसी चीज़ को पकड़ना. What is the use of finger to hold something? If you don't have finger, then are you able to hold pencil in your hand? No. WEV CAN WRITE write means लिखना, PAINT paint, CUT cut, PEEL peel means किसी को छीलना, ANDN PLAY play, MUSICAL musical, INSTRUMENT instrument, WITH with, OURFINGERS fingers. Our fingers bend in inwards direction. We know that, अंदर की तरफ. This is helps to hold things. Things को hold करने के लिए help करती है. We can write. What we can do with our fingers? Writing, painting, cutting, peeling, play musical instruments. For example, if you want to play piano, then what you need? You need your finger to play piano. Next, WEV CAN BEND band, OURRLEGS legs, AT THE the, KNEES knees. We can bend our legs at knees. किसकी हेल्प से हम लेग्स को बेंड कर सकते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ नीज. WEV ARER ABLE able, TO2 SIT sit, DANC dance, WALK walk, AND RUN run, BECAUSE because, OURR KNEES knees, CAN BEND bend. We can bend our legs at the knees. How we are able to bend our legs? With the help of knees. Knees helps to bend our legs. We are able to sit, dance, walk and run because our knees can be bent. Your knees bend, that's why you are able to sit. If your knees is not in bending situation, that you are not able to sit, run and walk. Next, feet. OURR FEET feet, ARER ATTACHED attach, TO2 OURR LEGS legs, AT THE the, ANKLES ankle. Our feet are attached, attached means जुड़ा हुआ, to our legs at the ankle. OURR FEET feet, HELP help, USS TO2 STAND stand. Our feet helps to stand. If we have feet, then we have base, so we can stand. IF WEV DIDNT didn't, HAVE have, FEET feet, WEV WOULD would, FALL fall, DOWN down. If we didn't have feet, then we would fall down. हम गिर जाएंगे, हम खड़े नहीं रह सकते. OUR FEET feet, CAN BEND bend, ANDN TURN turn. Our feet can be bent and turn. Turn मतलब घुमाना, bend मतलब झुकाना. ओके, सो हम हमारी फीट को बेंड कर सकते हैं, कर सकते हैं और टर्न कर सकते हैं. THIS these, HELPS help, USS TO2 WALK walk. This helps to walk, AND RUN run. These helps to walk and run. We have our feet, that's why we can walk. So here we completed. Firstly, we discuss about elbow, then wrist, then finger, then legs and feet. So right now we completed our 5 body parts and their functions. So your today's homework, class 2, subject EVS, chapter 1, lecture number 3. Homework: word meaning, PICK pick, UP up, pick up. To hold something, किसी चीज़ को पकड़ना. Second, BEND bend. Bend means मोड़ना. Third, ATT ACHED attach. Attach means जोड़ना. Next, INWARDS inwards. Inwards means अंदर की ओर. Note, send your daily homework before 9 o'clock every day in good handwriting on this WhatsApp number 756807745. Note, डेली 9 बजे से पहले आपको अपना होमवर्क रफ नोटबुक में गुड हैंडराइटिंग में करके स्कूल के व्हाट्सएप नंबर 756807745 पर सेंड करना है. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.